for when I do it. So. It's like, seriously. Pretend you're a customer and I'm gonna be so serious. Hello. And that's how I would introduce myself. Okay. Sorry, everyone. Jesus. I'm gonna have to put this away for now. It's like shiny.
Oh my god.
Whoa. Hey. Don't even trip. I got my coffee too. I can fix this. Let me fix it.
No.
It's never. Wait, let me see. People will get upset about, but like, I really don't care. Like, I actually really don't care that much. Like, there is part of me that's like, that's so weird, but like, I just can't fathom that that's a thing. So like, I don't even really like think about it. I'm going to copyright strike. No, stop, Dan. It's funny. I actually think it's funny. To me, it's funny. Editing software. DaVinci Resolve? Yeah. I'm not an e-girl! Oh. Balls! Scrotum! Oh, that.
Balls.
Let's do this shit. Let's do this shit. Top of the moment.
Vagina.
Yes.
Any given Friday, my dog's name is Jack. He's dead now.
Oh. Yo.
Hold on. Anyways, girls. Ow! Fucking fuck! Damn! Oh my god! What? I'm really not good at chugging. I can't. Damn. What a good way to start off this subathon. And welcome in everyone who joined when that was happening, and I'm really sorry that you had to see that. So I'm not shotgunning anything else. Thanks. Damn. By the oppositions right now. I leave for 2 minutes and it crashes. How?
The rest of the cast name is Josh. Josh is.
Can we eat it while we watch?
Roll. Please step forward and repeat.
This is nasty!
3.
You gotta check your phone.
Oh.
Oh my god. Okay. Dan, if you don't mute yourself. Okay. So I will be doing a push-up because I did say the D word. Did. So sorry. I'll make a mod. Hey, teach, what's cunnilingus?
Oh.
Oh, I'll teach you Fortnite. Okay. 270 now. Sorry. Thank you for barking, Jack. I love you. Literally love NASA. Love it. And I am out of breath. Oh my god! Minecraft, Overwatch, Rocket League, and Starfield. And I'm just doing what the people want me to do. Soldier Boy Superman. Never have I ever been to Canada. I have. Never have I ever burped during sex. There we go. There you go. I did get detention. I punched him hard as fuck. It was awesome. Damn. Never have I ever stolen stuff from school. Sorry. Yeah, fuck snitches. Oh my god. Sorry, like, oh, there's just something about, like, alcohol, dude. Like, I cannot do that. Okay, you guys are literally just naming things that I've done today. Like, never have I ever worn a ghost costume, dress up. It's like a dance. But the thing is that I am not picking up right now. All right, Dan. I know I double drank to your question. I'm really sorry. Damn, that feels so good. Okay, Koi Cadaver. When will I get the 70th crown win? So there you go. Sweet of you. Oh my god. Sorry. Start.
Open world campaign, there's potentially going to be technological issues.
Hello. Oh my god. I look so fucking freaky. Hold on. Thank you for going to sleep with me. Ha 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 ha. Funny joke. Sorry. Oh, because of this. Because of this. When Starfield. And I don't know why.
Am I good to join?
Yeah. I'm
Damn.
like, R.I.P. the homie.
I fucking trusted you,
Bro, when-
Gramps. You guys have to listen to. My stomach hurts. Literally so fun. So yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's all I had to say.